What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a LED crystal nightlight. Now, this nightlight has a rocket etched into it. It's going to be inspiration from SpaceX Starship. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can get a look at it. All right, so once we get this out of the box, we have two things. We're going to have the base, which is going to be like a pine type wood base with the LED at the center of the base. And then you have this cord that is USB with a switch. It's going to be a push button switch to turn it on and off. And then this is going to be the crystal itself. So let's get a closer look. So this is going to be made out of premium K9 crystal. It has some weight to it. It's going to be about 1.9 pounds, almost 2 pounds. And you can see the size of it compared to my hand. So this is going to be a nice small desk lamp, or you can put it by your bed as a nightlight. So let's go ahead and put this on the base and get it lit up. Now, once you plug this in and get it lit up, you can see that it lights up the entire crystal. It looks really nice. So you can see how it cycles through those colors. You have 7 colors that it goes through, and this gives you a nice RGB experience. And this is going to be nice to put on your desk, put on your table side. So if you are a fan of SpaceX, rockets, space, NASA, this is going to be a nice little collector's item to have. It truly is something different, and it's really eye-catching. This is going to be a nice piece to put next to any other collectibles or put in a room with a nice theme. Once again, guys, this is going to be a premium K9 crystal desk lamp. Once again, the art is inspired from SpaceX. So you're going to have that Starship resting on the arm, on the launch pad. You get this nice display. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.